man, y'all. Moss just called me at 6:16. They're all awake in there. My alarm wasn't set till after 7. I feel like I could really use that sleep today, but yeah, it's light out. They got some burritos going in the cabin, so I think it's time to get up and drink some coffee, at least. Oh, man. I don't want to get up, honestly. I really don't. Oh. Welcome back to the show. There he is. How are you up so early?
It's not early, it's 7 o'clock. You're late for work. You're late for work. You're fired. It's just like old times.
Mine shit says 6. You guys, I was never late. Well, my lens fogged up, y'all. But they got coffees. Oh, is it still brewing?
It's still brewing. We got burritos in there. I don't know how warm they are, but Jason made those for us.
And it's fogging up again. God dang. I just got it unfogged inside. Dang fancy cameras. Well, you guys can't see me, but we're getting ready to go fish. I'm still drinking coffee that you can't see. Sweet. Okay, looks like the lens has finally stopped fogging over. We've got the boat loaded up. We're just taking Steve's today. Steve's dropping the kids off at the pool, and then we're gonna get headed out and do some fishing. So we'll be on the water here shortly, guys. It is still very early. There's the sun. And it's a new day. Hopefully we catch some fish. We're gonna be fishing all day, I assume. So it's gonna be a long one. We should hook into something, so stay tuned, y'all. What's up, guys? We're gonna go fish. Rick, I tell you what.
Shit, yesterday I thought I'll just pull it out. I didn't put it back in.
we launched the boat with the plug out. Thank God we remembered, but. All right, guys, we're on the boat. We're gonna go do some fishing.
Winds blowing at 7 miles per hour, south-southwest right now.
South-southwest.
All right, guys, got the GoPro out. We just anchored up. We're getting our rod set up, and we're gonna kind of fish this while we try to figure out where we want to go this morning. But it's beautiful. We should catch something, so let's get after it. All right, guys, so basically the same rig we were running last night that I couldn't catch anything with. Slip bobber with a leech and a hook, and yeah. And we're off to the races. Maybe. There we go. All right, guys. Hang out, see if we can catch ourselves a toothy critter. Put some meat in the freezer. My bobber is gone, y'all.
Where's the camera?
It's oh, the right there. Oh, it came off.
That was not a good plan.
It felt good. Well, I screwed that one up, guys, but my bobber was way under. I jacked that head up completely. I think I might have horsed it a bit. Now I think I'm talking about Night Ranger. Yeah, my bobber was completely down. Sweet. Well, first hit.
back and put him without
Keep
any
after it.
roll.
Get him.
Hit him, hit him, hit him. Now hit him.
You got it. Lights on. It's not very big, I don't think. No, that's a keeper. No, I don't think so.
Walleye? Yeah, that's right.
Boom, there we go, guys. First hookup of the day.
Nice little fish. Mike's got the touch today.
I'm at the perfect depth, I think. Don't go wiggling off the boat, that'd be a bad deal. Oh yeah, he's 15.
Yep, that's 15.
How much are you?
15, just over 15.
I don't think that's a DP.
Shots.
You turn the bilge pump on.
No.
Oh, the bilge pump might be on auto.
No, it's an aerator auto.
That you should be good.
Bilge is down.
Turn that on once, Mike. See if it kicks any water.
Oh yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
See, we didn't bring enough shot. Should have grabbed 2 for everything.
Oh, that's fine.
I know, we always just got one.
There's a lot of water in there.
A little bit. We'll lighten up a hair.
I'm saying, I was gonna take one.
Cheers, Steve.
Yep.
It's awfully early for this.
It gets where you want to be real fast, though.
I'm gonna sip on one of these Walleyes.
You want a water, Steve?
No, I'm fine.
Yeah, insure or something?
We got some Metamucil. Yeah, there's quite a bit of water down there.
Yeah, that's what
I mean, there's an oil bottle in there floating.
Yeah, well, I think when we went out, I mean, it
You guys ever felt like regular?
Sometimes.
Try this product.
Oh,
Metamucil.
You're probably getting to the bottom of that pump. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, you got probably an inch or so maybe left down there, so we'll have to take the plug out this afternoon.
Yeah.
You
We'll wash it out. What do you guys think here?
You're the captain, man. I mean, we can move.
I say we move. I kind of liked it back there. It was kind of knocked down a little bit.
Okay, let's do it. We'll find something over there.
Bringing sandwiches?
No sandwiches.
No sandwiches.
You getting hungry?
No sandwiches today.
We should, if you've got another rod, you should have another rod rigged up and have as many lines out as we can.
I could just line my cat pole up for the shit.
I mean, yeah, I mean,
Put a
Yeah,
bobber on it,
say
and
it.
a small hook.
we could have 6 lines out.
Yeah, we probably should. Good idea.
Triple our chances, double our chances. Math.
But Mike got, everybody caught a fish. Mike got one in the boat.
Yeah,
So everybody's
we've done good. I'm satisfied. Well, but we've all caught fish on the trip.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. No, we had a great trip. I'm happy.
You got one, Steve? Or you snagged up? Oh.
Come on, Steve. What you doing, Steve?
God dang, Steve.
Got him?
Yep.
Got him.
Fish on, folks, fish on. That might be keeper, might be. There we go.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah. All right, y'all.
This is a weird Nebraska
Can I get my leech back, bud?
walleye.
Right.
And I kept the leech. There we go. All right, we'll see if he's 15. 15's the limit, the low limit. Nope, he's too short, 13 and a half. So we gotta let this dude go, but it was nice to catch it. Yeah, toothy little guys. Well, they're here. Pretty stoked on that, guys. That's the second hookup. We've had a few other bites, but There's that dang wind picking up again. There you go. There you go. There we go, man. Oh, big kitty. Big kitty. Big, oh! No, did it? It looked like it went through the net, yeah.
He's so fucking big, I don't know if he'll fit in there.
He'll get there. You'll get it. There we go. Oh, almost. You almost got it. Oh, you almost had it. Hell yeah, Moss, dude, that was quick. That's a big one. That's bigger than the one last night, I think. Yeah, man, that's good. That's a good one.
You cut him on the fucking crawler ball?
Crawler balling.
It was out there for what, 30 seconds?
Yeah, you got hammered.
I can't with the crawler ball.
Well, get her pulled out the net and put a length and weight to that, at least a weight to that thing.
Fucking
a beast.
ball.
The crawler ball.
Where's the scale? Oh, right here.
Let me get a picture of you, monster. Around here.
0.
All right, is it ready to go? It's on.
You'll be able to get it in there. Yeah.
Oh shit, he's biting me. Ah, he's got my thumb. Let go.
Is it gonna hang? 1554.
1554. Is that what you said, 15?
Yep.
Still good. It's a good one.
That's a solid fish, man.
I can't believe he caught it on a crawler ball.
That's awesome, man. Yeah, there's definitely been some decent catfish in here. You won't take that home to mama?
You guys don't want to, do you?
No. See you later, bud. Very nice.
Awesome.
Yeah, yeah, you got hit quick. All right, guys, we're gonna keep fishing. All right, guys, so what time is it? Like 1 something? Is that what we figured out? 1:50 in the afternoon. We caught a few fish. I pulled in 2 walleye, I lost a couple, and Moss hammered that huge catfish. So we've had a successful day on the water. So we're gonna head in, we're gonna load the boat up, and we might try to go fish the spillway or something. We shall see, but we haven't caught anything for quite a while. So we're gonna go load the boat up and try something else. Stay tuned, y'all. All right, guys, we've made it back to camp. We got Steve's boat dropped. We've got some charcoal going. We're gonna get some brats.
Yep.
We got some brats. We're gonna cook some brats up, take a little bit of a break, and then after that, more than likely, we're gonna head back down to the Spillway area and see if we can catch something there. Steve still needs to put his new tail lights on for the drive home, so we'll see how that goes. But we just lit the charcoal, so it's gonna be a little bit. We're gonna get these meat sticks cooked up, see how they taste.
How many you want? How many can be?
Right, maybe 6 total. Just flopping them on there.
Yep. Professional.
They're cooking. It's not the correct poker.
No, but it'll work.
Well, here we go, y'all. We got some cooked weenies. Hot. Mm-hmm. Very good.
It's on.
You got it? Yeah. Just change both of them? Or just the one?
Actually, they're the exact same ones.
Are they?
Yeah, they're pretty damn close. I'm gonna see if I.
See what they look like. So we're sitting here in the cabin. We just had a friendly visitor wander in. He's all right. He's just checking us out.
Hey, Wilson, come on, bud. Hey, buddy.
He's fine.
Dad wants you.
Come on.
Dad wants you. Hey, Wilson, come on, buddy.
See you later, buddy. It was nice to meet you. Oh yeah, you gotta go.
Come on, you
Gotta go.
old hound dog.
Well, and we can stop on
these
a gas station. I'm gonna have to stop at the first gas station on the way out. Get some gas. All right, guys.
That's all right with you guys.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. So we're sitting here in the cabin. We just had our friendly pub visitor, and we're sitting here talking like, what should we do? Because we plan to leave in the morning anyways. And we're sitting here, and it's what time? It's like 5:45, something like that. It's about a 5-hour drive home. And Steve's like, we should have just left as soon as we got off the water today. And Boss and I were like, well, we're down. So we're gonna pack all our stuff up. Everything is packed. Steve's gonna have to hook his boat up. And they gotta pack their bedrooms back up and stuff. I'm ready to roll. Yeah, dude, we're just gonna take off tonight and call it. We caught a few fish. I've got a couple of fish that I'm gonna clean when I get home. And that's about it, guys. We had a great trip. We all caught fish. It was a good time. As you can see, they're working quickly to get everything packed up so we can just get out of here. And then we've all got more time at home because I think these little guys both took the week off of work. And so they'll have an extra day. They can sleep in the morning. We don't have to get up at the butt crack of dawn to leave. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out. I hope you guys enjoyed this little bit of a series that we had up here. It's nice getting out with these guys again. We were talking about possibly a trip next year, maybe to the Ozarks or something, doing something a little bit different. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna close it out. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.